The Briggs & Stratton 796000 muffler is a high-quality replacement part designed to maintain the optimal performance of your outdoor power equipment. This genuine muffler replacement ensures compliance with Environmental Protection Agency emission regulations, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Specifically engineered for various Briggs & Stratton models, it provides a perfect fit for vertical crankshaft engines like the 21A800 and 215000 series. By using this muffler, you are assured of parts that meet original equipment manufacturer standards, guaranteeing reliability and durability. Replacing older models such as 792901, 794660, and 697048, this muffler is a versatile and essential component for your engine's upkeep. With its robust construction, the Briggs & Stratton 796000 muffler is built to withstand the demands of regular lawn maintenance tasks.